Hi, look at what I'm eating for dinner, for lunch. We call it in Soza. I miss home so bad. We are back now in this stressful place. You know, one thing about home, there's a lot of chores, like a lot of chores. You just don't get to sit or wake up late. You wake up super early. You have to start doing everything else. You know, it's December, it was raining, it's plowing season. Um, we are still keeping the tradition of welcome. So we are still keeping the tradition of plowing with ox. We haven't really invested into trucks and stuff, tractors and stuff. So you have to wake up 4 o'clock, but okay, not me. My brothers, the guys did. The men guys did. Was the lady of the house. So you make sure by 7, 8 when they come back from the fields, food, everything is ready. So yeah, I was talking about the benefits or the good of being at the village. I enjoyed myself so much. Yes, like I was saying, the chores are a lot, but they are satisfying and you get to eat organic all the time. You enjoy, literally. It's a lot of work, you get tired, yeah, but I think the difference between the village and here is I don't mind working because it's nature. I enjoy looking at the green vegetation, the blue skies, the rain, the chickens playing around and everything. Okay, let me not just talk too much. Let me quickly show you how I enjoyed my December, how I detoxed the 2023 year in 2 weeks. So I'll quickly narrate what is going on here. On the left, it was just us walking down my father's property to see how far it is and all that. We're also looking for wild berries. I don't know if they're called berries, but we call it montente. They are green stuff. I don't know how I forgot to take a picture or a video of them. They are red, sometimes they are orange. There's 2 types, so that's what we were looking for in the fields. And then on the left, it's us coming from the surveying and looking for montente, and then we're just there by the kraal, you know, just checking, waiting for the cattle to come back from eating. My baby also enjoyed his holiday. He was here playing in the sand, eating sand and everything else. He enjoyed so much because they say sand is also good for the teeth. So this is just a tour of our village. Nothing much. Those are the huts that we were sleeping in. These were previously kitchens, like where we were supposed to be cooking, but when Dad heard that we're coming, they had to quickly finish, like, to make them rooms where we're going to sleep. So we use a borehole. That's where we fetch water, and that's the road. That's where the road is. Oh, we also got an opportunity to go to Vic Falls. So we went to the village, I think, for almost a week, and then we came back to town, went to Vic Falls. A video come on that. So this is us when we're back to Vic Falls, just enjoying mangoes. And then that is Stone City on your right. It's a famous place in Katima. Yeah, it's just where people go and chill and all that. So it was really nice. So we stayed overnight in town, and then we went back to the village again. So this time it was just me and my husband. My siblings were all back in town because, you know, who likes nobody likes being overworked, so they went back to town. So this was just me and my husband and my father. So he was there cutting firewood and I was cooking pap. Don't worry, that pap we cook once, so it's lunch and dinner like that. It was quite nice. It was such an experience. I was really enjoying myself so much. So on my left, this is like milk straight from the kettle, straight from the cow. I just enjoy that. This is something that I've been doing ever since I was a baby. So that's what we used to. And this is just basically the last day of us going back to town so that we can come back to Windhoek. I was enjoying my holiday so much that I didn't want to vlog and all that. So this is a guinea egg I was making for breakfast. This is lunch, you know. This is now like pilchard. I was making with cabbage. That's my dad in the background. He's from the fields. That's how they look when they're coming from the field. Yeah, so like I was saying, there's the egg is done. Like I was saying, I quickly wanted to eat that. And that was basically the last one. That's why it looks like that. And then from here my dad said we can go and collect more. That's my father. That is my father, whom I named my son after. So yeah, like I was saying, I was enjoying myself. I didn't want anything to do with the phone. I just wanted to detox and just take in all the organic and the nature and everything else. So this is the pilchard in the pot. I really enjoyed myself. Such simple recipes. I didn't do anything. I just put in oil, then threw it in. No onions, no tomato, no spices, no nothing. It was just, you know, I was really going back to my roots, and it was really worth it. I enjoyed it very much. It just reminded me when I was younger, probably 10 years younger. It was really nice when we were a lot. Now my sisters are married, the other one passed on, died. Yeah, so I just wanted to go and fulfill myself with that, because it's something that I've been missing for so long. I haven't been in the village so deep like this full time, and like since I got married, yeah, probably 6-7 years ago. So this was the first time in a very long time just to attach myself to my roots. You see, most of the time I'm just barefoot. I'm just trying to enjoy as much as possible, try to detox everything. No rules like in the capital city where you have to wear shoes, where you have to eat certain way, where you have to do certain things. Here it was just me enjoying myself. I didn't even care like I was cooking in the sun, I was gonna get dark and all that. No. I was just doing it all the olden way, the old golden way. Just, it was fun. It was the best. So I was just basically making pap, and on the side, the second 3-leg pot that you see, I'm making matumbulwa fat cakes, because there's people working in the fields. My dad asked me if I can make matumbulwa for them before I leave, so that they can eat, you know, while they work. That's how my father is. But by the way, they're getting paid. It's people from other villages. In this modern world here, if you're in the capital city, if you're working for someone, you're required to bring your own lunch and everything. But it's different in the village. Dad made sure that I made those matumbulwas for them. I also made what is this, maheo, which is basically the porridge that you cool a bit down. Yeah, it cools down. This is actually his way of doing it. I've never really done it like this. So it's more like porridge, thick porridge, then you add a bit of water later on, put it in the sun, a bit of flour, something like that. That's what he was said, but he did it. That part he did it. My father did that part. So yeah, so I made sure that I left him with enough food, and for those people that were there working in the fields, it was nice. Like I said, I didn't really want to vlog or take videos or take pictures. My phone, like you saw earlier, there's a solar panel there. People are charging their phones, but mine could go off at least 2-3 days, because I just wanted to just be deeply rooted to just be deeply rooted in my roots, basically, you know. So it was really nice. So after Vic Falls, we came and stayed maybe 4-5 days in the village, and then we came back to the capital city. So this is us looking for the eggs, and these are the eggs. That's not even a lot. We shared them with my auntie. So that's the matumbula I was talking about, you guys. And nothing beats. I think I also missed cooking in these pots, 3-legged pots. on the fire. There's nothing that beats the flavor and everything that comes from this plot. Actually, I'm planning on buying my own stuff like this. You know, this is sour milk. Sour milk. My father is draining out the water, which is called intoya in my language, Subia. So this is actually what we came with. This was like a 5 liter nyana we came with here in Windhoek. So I really miss this, you know, just sitting down a tree, under a tree. Look how thick that shade is. This is just one of the trees that we have. You know, you don't need to be forced inside the house with the heat and everything. Oh gosh, I wish I could move this place. I was actually playing with my father. I was jokingly saying, I wish he could give me a piece of his land that I could come with to Windhoek, you know, just drop it somewhere by Rehoboth or Okahanje, just nearby, you know, just gosh. I mean, are you even at the village if your plates or literally anything, kitchen utilities, are not initialed? Like they don't have your father's initials, your mother's initial, you know? Like, are you even at the village? And I'm telling you that this is what makes my soul complete. This is what makes me happy. Just, yeah. I don't know if you understand, but I know there's a lot of us who can relate to this story. Please let me know in the comment section your experience and where also you're watching this video from. I would love to see you again, and make sure that you subscribe so that you see my journey, because literally I also want to start buying this. I went to get a quotation of this Kango plates, Kango everything. I just want to start piling, because right now in Windhoek we only have 2 plates. I need cups and everything. So this was the goodbyes. This is me, this is us, this is my family living Katima Mulilo. So yeah, it was nice. It was nice. Let me know in the comment section, where were you for holiday? What did you enjoy? Do you also like being at the village? If you are a village girl, what is your favorite chore in the comment section? Or what is it that you don't like when you're in the village? I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe, share it with your friends and family. I'll see you in my next one.